glow plugs part 2. So you do have to pull this off. I don't know if I mentioned that in my last video. A couple of number 3 Phillips and that part where I told you to use a zip tie because these things suck. Now we gotta go in here and not waste a bunch of time and use a pair of needle nose pliers and pull him, and then reach down and pull him right down the line. Unlike spark plug wires, you don't have to keep them in order. They won't reach. Alright, just a second. Alright, now that you got all the wires undone, you can see the glow plug. See how it's sitting down in its own little oil bath? You got to go with compressed air and blow all those out. I'll show you one. Clean. Do that 3 more times. Now that you've blown all those out, 10mm favorite ratchet, break them all loose. Actually, don't break them all loose. Do one at a time. You'll see why in a second. Because when you pull them out, they're going to be all full of oil like this. So the faster you can change them out, the better. That way you get less oil down in the cylinder. Drop the new one in the hole. Put your ratchet on carefully. I know it might not seem like it, but I am doing this carefully. Spin it in. Alright, I'll be back when I'm torquing it. Now, because cylinder pressures and stuff, I do actually torque these. Not very much stuff do I actually torque, but we're going to do these ones. Click. Next thing, now that you got all these torqued, I like to start at the back, work my way forward. They're all done. That's why I start with the first glow plug here, take them out, going backwards. That way I'm putting it in, taking it out, putting it in, taking it out, putting it in, boom, boom, boom. But you gotta make sure that these wires aren't touching anything. That's kind of a pain. Be right back. Okay, it's all back together, ignition on. Let's see if it goes. Oh! New glow plugs really help. God bless everybody.